How's it going? My name's Anthony. I'm on the marketing team here at Milwaukee Tool. Today we're going to do a durability test on a competitive unit crate and then our crate right after. So we got 30 pounds kettlebell, dropping it from chest height. As you can see, significant damage. Now we're going to do the same test on our crate. As you can see, shakes it around, still rolling.
Tell me about this crate.
So, this is an item we've been looking at making since we first launched PACKOUT a couple years ago. It's going to offer cleats on the bottom, as well as receivers on the top. You're going to be able to stack toolboxes, organizers, any full width PACKOUT on top of this. And it's going to be the first that has cleats on the rear side.
Why? Show me.
Not only can you stack it on your PACKOUT stack, but on the wall as well. So you take it at the end of the day, store it up on the wall, you're good to go. It's going to retail for $39. So.
$39. When can we get them? When can we see them?
These will be available in November of this year.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.